We had a wonderful pregnancy journey. All thanks to Dr. Yesha for giving us guidance and support throughout our pregnancy. We conceived our baby girl here, and with Dr. Yesha's guidance, it had been very helpful. She is the best gynec. She is very skilled and intelligent. The staff is also very nice. The hospital is very clean and hygienic.
એટલે વેધર ઇઝ 2 AM or 3 AM ડોક્ટર ઈશાને ગમે ત્યારે પણ કોલ કરી અડધી રાતના પણ તો પિકઅપ કરીને અમને સારો આન્સર આપ્યો છે અને અમને હેલ્પ કરી છે.